National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Bedford County, the city of Lynchburg, until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:01 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Big Island to Goodto near Bedford, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lynchburg, Bedford, Forest, Big Island, Coleman Falls, Boonesboro, and Good. This includes the following location: Liberty University,